Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how the new Kahoot game modes work. In order to show you this, and this is how it would work for you if you're going to play it, you're going to go to your library and find the Kahoot that you want to set up this way. So I've got my Kahoot. I'm going to click on the name and then I'll click start. Now these game modes are only available in live sessions. I wish they were available as homework, but they're not. So I'm going to pretend I'm going to start my Kahoot. You can see there's the classic mode and team mode, but we're going to scroll down to these game modes. The color kingdom is where you pretty much take over a map as a team, try to get your team all over, so it's like taking over the world. The treasure trove is an individual game, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate for you today. Basically, as an individual, I will get these questions. The minute when I get 3 correct, it will shoot stuff in the air, and I can click on all the jewels. And the goal is to get as many jewels during the time frame that I set the game for. So the questions will just loop through. So we're going to try that. So I'm going to click Treasure Trove. It suggests 3 minutes for the number of questions I have. And I'm going to put it down to 2 minutes for the sake of this video. I'm going to, you can see I have 10 out of 19 questions in my Kahoot that qualify. And I can review which ones don't. So basically open-ended questions, polls, things that don't count for points will be pulled out. So I'm going to click start. And when I do that, it's going to start it just like a regular Kahoot game. So it's going to load the game pin. Now I'm going to play this. So I'm going to 8960. I'm going to enter the game as a student. So I put in that game pin. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to put in my nickname and click go. So I'm in, and I'm going to switch back to the controller of the game, which is me as the instructor up front, and push start. And it basically answered 3 questions correctly to capture your treasure. So we can skip the tutorial, but I'm going to go through that quick. You tap the treasure as it flies by and make sure to collect jewels only. Okay, so I'm going to click start so I could, and we're going to get ready. So now I'm in as the student. It's loading the questions and I can participate. Come on. Okay, so what type of educator does a feeler prefer? I'm going to put motivator. I got that correct. The thinking and learning part of the brain is known as the limbic system. I got that incorrect. Bummer, it was the neocortex. What percentage of your class should be presentation? 30%. Now you can see I have 2 questions correct. What are our key soft skills? Employability essentials. So get ready. I'm going to have 3 correct. And now it's going to shoot treasure for my chest. Harder to do with a mouse than your finger on the phone. Okay, so I got 4,000. I'm in first place. Woohoo! And it'll keep going. Okay, that's it. Come on. I have to submit it, and I can't see that. There we go. I'm gonna get 3 more, I know it. All right, 3 more correct. And now I get to collect treasure again. See the junk that is up there? I'm not good at this. But this also gives your brain a break, so it's a good learning technique to get your brain from going on to learning and then stopping. So this is how this works. And we hit the 2 minutes. and I can see how I did compared to other students that are doing this live. And it'll give us a podium just like everything else. So that's how that game mode works. I encourage you to give it a try. Thanks.